We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. It's got a lot of cool aftermarket things on it. Floorboards and rear brake, cover, intake, has the Harley Davidson leather saddlebags. All of the covers match from side to side. Has a heel toe shifter. The horn and the shift linkage also aftermarket. And again, everything matches up here too. Clutch lever, grips, brake lever, and the detailing around the instrument cluster as well. We also have some sweet speakers and buttons right next to the throttle. Don't even have to move your hands. And of course, it sounds awesome with this Vance & Hines exhaust on it. We are at 18,366. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides.